Let's turn 2D images into 3D models. This workflow is quite fast and helps to keep the gaps in images and texts. Delete everything with AX shortcut. Press Shift A and add an empty image. Go to this tab and open the desired image. You can get slightly better results when the image is scaled bigger. Location and rotation has to be default, so the image is centered and facing upwards. Go to Object, Convert, and trace the image to Grease Pencil. I'll use the default settings because I can tweak them from this window in real time. Black and white images work great, and images that have clear shapes and contrast. Now the image is a Grease Pencil object, which means we can tweak the vector points freely by using Edit Mode, Sculpt Mode, and modifiers. Let's say I want to remove the outer line. I go to Edit Mode up here. I select the line selection. Select the line that I want to get rid of and press X to delete. Now we can turn this to 3D. Head to the Geometry Nodes tab up here. Add a new Geometry Node tree to the object. Press Shift A and add a Convert Grease Pencil to Curves node. Uncheck these layers as Instance Box. Then add a Fill Curve node. That's all you need. Except I want the logo and background to be separate. Go to Edit Mode, select the outer line, press P shortcut to separate it. Next, I add a random 3D object to the scene. Add a new Geometry Nodes modifier to it. Drag the desired Grease Pencil object here and hook it to the geometry input. If you have multiple parts like I have, duplicate the object with Shift D shortcut. Press Ctrl A and select Visual Geometry to Mesh. Select the other 3D object. Change the Grease Pencil object here and press Ctrl A again. Now I press Alt G to reset the location of the two objects and add a Solidify modifier to them and some nice materials. And there you have it. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and see you next time.